this clip, this connection, electrical connection for the left-right button, it just pulls straight out. Grip it, wiggle it a little bit. There's no clip to push down or pull up on like automotive. Just pull it straight down. Looks kind of dirty. We're gonna clean that up. We're gonna clean these switches up. Let's see if that is the problem. Okay, so here's that right-left switch. Got it out. It's not the easiest thing to get out. You see these tabs. You've got to push in from underneath while you pull out. I did it one side at a time. That seemed to work a little easier. But it's a little bit of a stinker. Take you a few minutes to do that. And then, I don't know if there's top or bottom. I guess there is kind of. But I mean electrically. So I just put a T and I scratched. I did a little scratch job on the top. In case I wear that T off, I want to put it in the top the way it came out. So let's get those leads cleaned up and take a look at some more stuff. So here's the gear. Comes right out. It only fits in one way. I mean, you could spin it 180, but it's not gonna change anything. Is it supposed to come right out? And then I was noticing this one tooth. Take a look at this tooth when it focuses. This, not this first one, but this second one. It doesn't, I don't know. Well, maybe it's just got grease in it. Let's just clean this up. Won't hurt. Here's the left-right switch taken apart a little more. If you pull these tabs out, so you got a little hook, pull that out on each side, the whole thing comes apart. And then you think, oh crap, how does that go back together? And I don't know yet, but I do see green corrosion. So that's probably the bigger concern here, not making good contact. We're gonna clean that up, hopefully put it back together the way it goes, or consult the some diagrams or something. Okay, a quick flip over and we can see where this goes. It goes back in there just like that. Corrosion, 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 all that green stuff. Not good for making good electrical contacts. I'm excited. Let's get into this. I think maybe we found our culprit. This left-right switch in this condition, it's just the mechanical part. These are just plastic. And as you push the button left and right, it rocks this double yellow thing back and forth. Okay, time in. It rocks it back and forth. See? Back and forth as you push the button. So nothing electrical here, but make sure it's free and clear and clean. I don't think that was necessarily built up. That green stuff might have been just grease, but there are contact points. These two little contacts make contact in here, inside the switch. And depending on what you rock it back and forth to, it's left or right. So maybe those contact points were dirty. I did clean them, and I cleaned those up too. So we'll put that back together. See how the switch acts. Okay, so it was the switch. We cleaned that up, and now it's making great contact. However, see this top guy here? He's supposed to be connected. There's 4 of them, 2 on each side. 1, 2, 2 on each side. This helps keep everything together. And, you know, it's broken. It still works, just not going to hold everything together as good as it should. So I think that was causing moisture to get in here. I'm not sure. I'm going to do a little Wisconsin fix on it. Yeah, little tape, probably. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, 2 are broken. Oh, wait a minute. I take all that back. It looks like that's how they go. Never mind. It looks like I'll have to get back to you. What did Gilda Radner say on Saturday Night Live in the 70s? Never mind. Yeah, those were not broken. They're supposed to be out like that. And now, there's one on each side, and those pinch together and expand back. So once you drop your switch in, there it is. It holds them in place. That's how it's supposed to work. Plug it in from the back. I think we're good to go.